Hello guys, welcome to the code mat. Today's problem is sort characters by frequency. So we have a given input string. We have to sort it based on the occurrence or frequency of the each character. So let's say if a given string tree, the output should be EERT. Let's understand with the example. So we have T only having occurrence as 1, R also having only frequency as a 1, and for character E we have 2 times the occurrence. So based on the frequency of the each character, so E will get first precedence and then R and T. So if the frequency is the same for the character, order does not matter. So if E appears twice and R and T appears once, so based on that we need to give the output. Uh, to solve this problem, there are two things we need to take care. One is we need to find out the frequency of each character, and second thing is, like, based on that frequency we need to sort the characters. So to found and to map the frequency with the character, we can use a hash map where your key could be your character and frequency could be your number of occurrence of that character in the string. And to sort the based on the frequency, we can use a priority queue, and sorting will be like based on your the frequency of those characters. So let's start with the code editor. First create a map and priority queue. So map will be your character as a key and integer as your value. Okay, now let's define the priority queue of type character. Okay, we'll give a comparator in a constructor to sort based on their frequency. So we have, let's say, two input as x and y, and we'll sort based on the map.get, sorry, y minus map.get x. Okay, so we define the map and priority key. Now let's fill our map. uh, let's go to the iteration to the string comma s dot to char array and map dot put c comma, let's check first whether we do have value present in the map or not. So map dot get or default. If it is present, then it will return the value, otherwise it will return a 0. Okay, and then plus 1 to that. Okay, so we have filled our map. Now let's add this value to the priority queue from the map. So now let's go to the priority queue, iterate over the hash set, iterate over the key set, and then let's offer those characters to the priority queue. So let's go to the for character c comma map dot keys, sorry, set. Okay, now let's offer those to the priority queue. So while offering, it will again also sort because of the comparator we have given in the constructor. So we have our priority queue ready, and the sequence will be maintained as per their frequency. Now let's create a result from that. We'll iterate over the priority queue until it gets empty, and we will create a new string and we will return that string. So now let's first create a new string builder. Okay, now let's iterate over the priority queue. Okay, so until it gets empty we will iterate it. So let's first take the character pq dot pull. Okay, now we will iterate over those many frequency which is there in the map to generate those many times that character in the result. So let's do that now. Okay, for integer I is equal to 0, I less than map dot get the count of that frequency. So we'll get the count and then I plus plus. Okay, now we will append this character to our string builder. So let's say we have sv dot dot append to the string builder ch. Okay, so after that we will return the string builder value sv dot to string. So this is the solution. Let's run it. Oops, there is a typo. We took ch instead of c's. Let's correct it. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, it got accepted. So we have given an input string as a tree. The output is the ERT, which is expected. Let's submit the solution. Okay, it got submitted. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.